Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. If you're under 500 subscribers, create shorts for your channel. Everything is starting to get shorts now, starting to blow up across YouTube. You know, when TikTok came along, YouTube kind of jumped on that bandwagon and they said, look, we better get onto this thing. And shorts are a great way to reach new people, to do new things, to get in front of new audiences. One thing about shorts, it doesn't take a long time to create them. And at the same time, other people can enjoy them real quick on the move. It doesn't take a lot of energy. And YouTube has designed your homepage now where your shorts will show up in its own category, so it won't be disruptive to your homepage. YouTube has gotten a little smart now. They're able to show your homepage in a way where your shorts can come up in their own category. And when it comes to subscribers, here's one short. I gained 9 subscribers from this short. Here's another one. I gained 6 subscribers from this short, and from another one I gained over 13 subscribers just from one short. Now think about that. Imagine you create some shorts in your channel and you just have at least one short that'll bring in 13 subscribers. And if you do that twice a week, that's 26 subscribers that you've already gained just from 2 shorts. Not to mention those who will come in from other areas. Now, there's another powerful way, okay, that you could build your channel. If you're under 500 subscribers, create shorts. Short form content is a thing that is starting to be real popular. And I remember when I first started my YouTube channel, I created some shorts when I first started, but they wasn't like I really wanted them to be. They really didn't have the appeal that I needed them to have. They didn't have the captions. Check this out. If you go to video.ai, they'll give you some captions. And they'll give you the captions on your shorts just like these right here. Right here. They'll let you put captions on your shorts just like these right here. So they're not sponsoring this video, but I use them. Just wanted to mention them to you. So video.ai, check them out for your shorts. Building your content, going to the next level. And if you're part of the family, you already know that's how we like to do it to get it done. Next level mindset and everything that we do. If you are enjoying the content on my channel, you can show your appreciation with a super thanks, a super chat, cash app donation, buy a coffee, as well as other ways you could be a blessing to the channel with the links in the description. And for those of you who already do that, you are keeping the lights on here at Next Level, so I really appreciate you. And so one of the things that I noticed when I restarted my channel, when I did my relaunch, I was wondering, am I too late? You know, is it something that can still be done? I always say you're never too old to follow your dreams and you're never too late to do the right thing. So a lot of people wonder, is it too late? Is it oversaturated? I want you to enjoy this video right here coming up on the screen, my top 5 reasons to be a content creator. I think that will be a great video for you to watch next. So go ahead and check that out. Enjoy that. Thanks again to my subscribers and returning viewers. You are the life of the channel. Hit the like button, share this on your way out, subscribe if you haven't done that. Stay blessed, stay positive, never give up whatever you do. Until next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.